Okay, so I don't know if you can see this from where I'm at, but I was at a graveyard now. What they're doing is they're going to bring people out on foot to come through the area, and they might start up street theater or something similar, some sort of group activity event. Do they turn? It'll start out with one person. See, now they're coming directly my way. They're coming directly my way. It'll start out with one person. The next thing you know, it'll be a bunch of people. I can't tell if that's a man or a woman. See now, look, see the truck with the lights? The truck's going by fast. See that? And now they're walking right where the truck went by. Now they come out walk. You can't tell if it's a man or a woman. That same truck will be back. I can tell by the way the truck was driving, it's going to come back around here at some point in time.